Hello everyone, I am Pooja Bhatia from eClass Freely. As the name suggests, it is an online teaching platform. We cover all subjects and all curriculums, international as well as national curriculums. We also prepare students for competitive exams like Olympiad, 11 plus exams or any entrance exams. The curriculums that can be followed or that are followed in this platform is Asian, UK, GCSE, Cambridge, USA, EdXL, Singapore, Australian, name any, and we are there with. We have students from 50 plus countries on board with us, including US, UK, and the big Asian. Now let us learn a small concept about synonyms and antonyms. Now, can anybody tell me what is the basic use of synonyms and antonyms? It might seem very small, but if you learn synonyms and antonyms, you are empowered. Your English language becomes more stronger. Your word bank is enriched beyond your thinking capacity. It improves communication. It also expands your vocabulary and your sense of language, your sense of English language becomes very stronger. Your word bank undoubtedly is so enriched. Can we do a short worksheet now? Let us know how well we do with that. Let me share my worksheet with you. Yeah. I hope this is visible to all of you. So as we go with chapter 1, synonyms. What does synonym means? Similar words. So let's start with the first one. Admire. What is the synonym of admire? Yes, it is praise. What is the synonym for alien? Stranger. For bitterness, it is acrimony. Now we go ahead with the synonyms. But one thing I would make you to understand is that when we do section 1, supposing we are working on this, now we also learn synonyms and antonyms of the other given choices. Like, Acha, can anybody tell me what's the synonym for admire? Yes, cheer, glorify, honor, applause, plaudit, worship, adore. So when we are doing synonym for the word admire, we enrich our vocabulary by, I think so, 10 words, 10 surplus. Now we go with the antonyms of admire. What are the antonyms of admire? Blame, criticism, disregard, disrespect, condemn, denunciation. So obviously, with one particular word, admire, we enrich our vocabulary by 20 plus words. Supposing if we go with mock. What is the meaning of mock? Mock means when you ridicule somebody, tease, when you deride somebody. Similarly, if we go with possess, it means own, take over, control, acquire, to have something. Now, if we go ahead with the insult, what does that mean? Insult means offend, abuse, affront. Now, all these words, when they are used in the verb sense, it has different synonyms. And when they are used in the noun or adjective sense, it has different set of synonyms. So I just wanted to make one thing more precise over here, that when we are doing one word, we are enriching our word bank by at least 30 or 40 plus words. Yes, you're right. That's the power of synonyms and antonyms. Now, supposing if we are going ahead with blessed, what does blessed means? Holy. Yes, somebody gave a right answer. Delivered. What does delivered means? What does delivered means? Dispatched. Okay. Diligent. What does diligent means? Hardworking. Elect. What does elect means? To choose. Eventually, our eighth word. What does it mean? Ultimately. The last one, fiction. What does it mean? Imaginary. So, like this, we go ahead with our list. It's a never-ending list for 22 with synonyms and antonyms. But it is, people often underrate this. We often think that, okay, synonyms and antonyms, if you just know, it's okay. But it is a main ingredient for your creative writing. If you want to write impressively, stronger, your word bank should be strengthened by these sets of words. Now, supposing, what does fragile means? Very delicate. So when you talk to somebody and you use different words, these are like jewels of English language, which will help to communicate with the others in a much better and a stronger and a confident manner. So if we go ahead with fright, fugitive, glory, can anybody tell me what this fright means? Yes, scared. Okay. Does anybody know the answers for fugitive, glory, graphic, guide, initiated, lethal, liberal? You can type your answers in the comment section. This video is to make people little aware of the importance of synonyms and antonyms. Registrations for this workshop are going on, and you can avail this beautiful and a strong workshop. Registrations, for the registration part, you can click the below link www.eclassopedia.com, and also for further query or assistance, the number in the description box will be given to you, and you can dial at that number and our team member will reach out to you. So please register with us and have a wonderful workshop with us. eClassopedia guarantees that your word bank will be strengthened far more than what you came with. So thank you for this wonderful session. Thank you.